We are OnePlus global distributor. We are Xiaomi global distributor. We supply with OnePlus global version smartphone and China version global long smartphone. We supply with Xiaomi global version smartphone and Xiaomi China version global long smartphone. We can deliver OnePlus global version smartphone and Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. If you want to make B2B business of OnePlus and Xiaomi smartphones, you can contact with us. Okay, let's continue to unboxing and review OnePlus 8 Pro. Here's the phone. Never settle. The phone have three color: black color, green color, and blue color. This one is blue color. It supports dual nano SIM card only. It doesn't support micro SD card. It has turned on already. All Google applications. Here are all the language menus it supports. Its battery it supports reverse charging. It is a 6.78-inch fluid AMOLED LED display, 513 ppi density. It's from a bed glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. The screen supports 120 Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+. Resolution is 3168 pixels by 1440 pixels. Android 10 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core 2.84 GHz, 128 GB long, 8 GB RAM, or 256 GB long, 12 GB RAM. Its front camera is 16 megapixel f2.5 aperture, and its main camera actually a quad camera, 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel 2.4 aperture. The last camera is also 48 megapixel f2.4 2.2 aperture. The last camera is 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture. Let's test its camera. You can see the details of the photo. The phone battery built-in is 4510 mAh battery built-in. Supports fast charging 30 watt. Only need 23 minutes, half of the battery charged. And it supports fast wireless charging 30 watt. 30 minutes of the battery, half of the battery charged. And also it supports reverse wireless charging 3 watt. The phone supports NFC. The USB port is 3.1 Type-C USB port. A very same color. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. One piece silicon case, one piece Type-C USB cable, one piece fast charger, 30 watt fast charger, 5 volt 6 ampere fast charger. We will send Europe adapter, UK adapter, or Australia adapter for your market need. The logo sticker, never settle. Warranty certificate. A jet pen. Here's the menu. Menu have support English, Chinese, German, Spanish, Finnish, France, and Russian, Thai, Arab, Israel. That's all.